If you have been dealing with dark spots, acne marks, sun damage, or just uneven skin tone that refuses to go away, you are definitely not alone. Today, I am breaking down the top 7 ingredients that are scientifically proven to help fade hyperpigmentation and brighten your skin tone for real. These ingredients are dermatologist-approved, used all over the world by skincare professionals, and the best part, you can actually find most of them in affordable products. I will explain what each ingredient does, who is it best for, how to use it, and when to use it in your routine. Let us start with the classic vitamin C. This one is favorite for a reason. It is one of the most researched ingredient when it comes to brightening skin and fading dark spots. Technically called ascorbic acid, vitamin C works by blocking an enzyme called tyrosinase. This enzyme is what your skin uses to make melanin, aka the pigment that causes dark spots. So what vitamin C does is it helps prevent new spots from forming and also fades existing ones over time. But wait, there is more. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant, which means it protects your skin from daily damage caused by sunlight and pollution. That protection helps keep your skin healthier in the long run. With regular use, you will notice brighter, smoother, and more even-toned skin. Now, how should you use it? Apply a few drops of vitamin C serum in the morning, right after cleansing. Concentration between 10% to 20% works well for most people. Look for serums in dark glass bottles, they stay fresh longer. If you have got sensitive skin, go for a gentler form like magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. And remember, always follow it up with sunscreen. Vitamin C boosts your sun protection, but also makes your skin a bit more sensitive to the sun. Next one is retinol, also known as vitamin A. This one is perfect for those stubborn, deep-set dark spots that just won't budge. Retinol increases your skin cell turnover, meaning it helps your skin shed old pigmented cells and replace them with fresh, healthy ones. Over time, it evens out your skin tone, smooths out texture, reduces fine lines, and even helps with acne scars. But here is the thing, retinol is strong stuff, so you want to start slow. Begin by using it just 2 to 3 nights a week. Apply it on clean dry skin and follow with good moisturizer to reduce any dryness or irritation. As your skin builds tolerance, you can slowly increase the frequency. If you have sensitive skin, look for lower strengths like 0.25% or 0.3%. or gentler alternatives like retinaldehyde. And never forget to wear SPF in the morning. Retinol makes your skin more sun sensitive, and skipping sunscreen can undo all the progress you have made overnight. Moving on to AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids. These are ingredients that exfoliate the surface of your skin. Think glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid. They work by gently loosening the bonds between dead skin cells so they can shed more easily. This helps reveal fresh glowing skin underneath, and over time, it fades surface pigmentation like sunspots and post-acne marks. Glycolic acid is the most common. It is powerful and penetrates deeply, so it is great if you have normal to oily skin. Lactic acid is gentler and more hydrating, which makes it ideal for dry or sensitive skin. And mandelic acid, super gentle, perfect for darker skin tones or anyone prone to irritation. Use AHAs at night, 2 to 3 times a week after cleansing. You will find them in toners, serums, or peel pads, usually at concentrations between 5% and 10%. Just don't use them on the same night as retinol when you are first starting out. And always follow up with a moisturizer, and again, yes, sunscreen the next day is a must. Next is niacinamide, and honestly it is one of the most beginner friendly and versatile ingredient out there. Also known as vitamin B3, niacinamide does a bit of everything. It fades dark spots, reduces redness, improves skin texture, balances oil production, and strengthens your skin barrier, especially important if you are using strong actives like retinol or AHAs. When it comes to pigmentation, niacinamide blocks melanin transfer, which means it helps prevent dark spots from reaching the surface of your skin in the first place. It is also incredibly gentle and works well with almost all ingredients, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, you name it. You can use it morning and night, and most products contain 5% to 10%. It is often found in serums, moisturizers, and toners. Use it after cleansing and layering other serums. It is one of those ingredients that quietly does its job in the background, but over time your skin will look smoother, brighter, and more even. Coming in at number 5 is alpha-arbutin. It is a plant-derived ingredient that works a lot like hydroquinone, but without the irritation. Like vitamin C and niacinamide, it also inhibits tyrosinase, so it reduces melanin production, but in a very gentle way. What makes alpha-arbutin so special is how tolerated it is by all skin types, even sensitive ones or deeper skin tones that tend to get inflamed easily. It's most effective when used consistently, and you will usually find it in products with around 2% concentration. Many formulas pair it with niacinamide or hyaluronic acid for an extra boost. You can use alpha-arbutin once or twice a day, and it plays well with other ingredients like vitamin C and Tranexamic Acid. If you want something effective, but you are also worried about irritation, this is a great ingredient to look for. Let us talk about hydroquinone, the ingredient that is often called the gold standard in treating pigmentation. It has been used for decades to treat melasma, sunspot, and stubborn discoloration. Hydroquinone works by blocking melanin production right at the source, and in some cases, results can be seen in just a few weeks. But, and this is important, it is a strong stuff and it is not for everyone. Over-the-counter options usually have 2%, while prescription formulas can go up to 4% or more. You should only apply it to the affected area, never your whole face, and it is usually recommended for short-term use like 8 to 12 weeks maximum, followed by a break. Make sure you are using a good moisturizer alongside it, and never mix it with other strong actives like retinol or AHAs on the same night. And yes, I will say it again, sunscreen is essential. Without sun protection, hydroquinone can backfire and actually make pigmentation worse. And finally, tranexamic acid. It is once a newer but very promising ingredient, especially if you are dealing with melasma or stubborn dark patches that don't seem to respond to anything else. It was originally used in medicines to stop excessive bleeding, but researchers found that it also works to lighten pigmentation, especially the kind caused by inflammation or hormones. Tranexamic acid works by interrupting the communication between pigment cells and surrounding skin cells, calming the overproduction of melanin. It is gentle, safe for long-term use, and especially good for people with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, acne marks, or hormonal discoloration. Use it in the morning or at night, depending on your routine. Most serums contain 2% to 5%, and it layers beautifully with niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, and kojic acid. Just remember, protect your skin from sun, or you are taking one step forward and two steps back. Before you go and add everything to your cart, here is a quick reminder. Always patch test any new product before applying it to your entire face. Start slow. Give your skin time to adjust, especially with active ingredients like retinol, AHAs, or hydroquinone, and be patient. Most of these ingredients need 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use to show real visible results. And that's a wrap on the top 7 ingredients that actually work to fade dark spots and even out your skin tone. I hope this video cleared up some confusion and helped you build a routine that actually makes sense for your skin. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really supports the channel, and if you haven't it already, subscribe it and hit the bell so you don't miss future skincare deep dives just like this one. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these ingredients? What worked, what didn't? Or is there a product you absolutely swear by for fading spots? Drop it in the comments. I read them all and I love hearing your skin stories. Take care of yourself, be kind to your skin, wear your sunscreen, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay glowing.